As we age, our bodies speak more gently, but they speak louder if we ignore them. And one area that almost every senior woman overlooks is how cleaning routines are impacting her health. You may think you're staying active by cleaning your home, but what if the way you're cleaning is silently draining your energy, damaging your joints, or even hurting your heart? I'm Dr. Susan Hartley, a geriatric wellness specialist with 30 years of experience. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 cleaning mistakes women over 60 make, and the safer, smarter alternatives. Stick around, your health and independence might just depend on it. The myth of cleaning as exercise. Many women over 60 believe housework keeps them fit, but repetitive cleaning motions can actually strain your body in harmful ways. Vacuuming with an old, heavy vacuum can overwork your back and shoulders. Bending over to scrub tiles can compress your spine. Climbing stools to clean shelves increases the risk of falling. Cleaning isn't bad, but calling it exercise can be dangerous if it replaces proper, joint-safe movement. Dr. Hartley's advice: always warm up before starting chores, stretch gently, and consider 15-minute walks or chair yoga as your actual form of daily exercise. Toxic products, toxic air. Ever feel dizzy or tired after cleaning? Many women don't realize that common cleaners, especially bleach, ammonia, and synthetic fragrances, can damage lung function over time. For women with asthma, heart conditions, or even mild respiratory issues, this is serious. Fragranced sprays can irritate the nose and throat. Aerosol products reduce. You might clean more just to pass time, but overcleaning is a hidden health threat. Constant scrubbing can inflame your wrist joints, leading to arthritis flare-ups. Repetitive mopping stresses your knees. And worst, pushing yourself to do one more thing can spike blood pressure without you even noticing. Better approach? Clean smarter, not harder. Set cleaning timers, 20 minutes, then rest. Break chores across days. Ask for help when lifting heavy items. You've earned the right to delegate. Unsafe movements, fall hazards. Falls are the #1 reason seniors end up in the emergency room. And guess when most falls happen? During home tasks. Reaching for high shelves, standing on unstable chairs, slipping on wet bathroom floors. These risks turn routine cleaning into life-changing accidents. Safer choices. Use a long-handled duster instead of climbing. Place anti-slip mats in bathrooms and kitchens. Wear non-slip shoes, even inside. Invest in lightweight, cordless vacuums. Your safety is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Cleaning fatigue and your heart. Feeling exhausted after cleaning isn't just aging. It may be your heart, joints, or even your blood sugar talking. Women over 60 with hypertension or diabetes need to listen to their post-chore symptoms. Are you breathless? Are your legs heavy or swollen? Do you feel lightheaded? These are not small things. Dr. Hartley's heart. Tip: take breaks, drink water, monitor your pulse and blood pressure. And if cleaning feels harder than usual, stop and rest. Your heart will thank you. Clean, but don't break yourself and eyes. There's a difference between a clean home and a painful home. We often tie our worth to our ability to do it all. But your value is not in how shiny your floor is. You've raised families, held jobs, carried burdens. Now it's time to clean with kindness. Towards yourself, Dr. Hartley's rules. Use ergonomic tools. Sit while folding laundry. Don't scrub. Spray and wipe. Choose microfiber over harsh scrubbers. Every smart choice protects your strength, joints, and dignity. Get help without guilt. Asking for cleaning help isn't laziness. It's wisdom. Talk to your children or neighbors. Consider hiring help once a month. Join community senior groups that share cleaning support. You deserve to rest. You deserve to breathe. Don't clean yourself into pain. Clean your way into freedom. Conclusion. Let's recap the 5 things every woman over 60 should remember when cleaning. 1. Cleaning is not exercise. Your joints need real care too. Avoid toxic products. Choose safe, simple alternatives. Don't overclean. Your health matters more than dust. 4. Prevent falls, stay grounded, safe, and smart. 5. Protect your heart and energy. Your body whispers before it screams you've done enough. Now let your cleaning routine reflect that wisdom. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to Still Growing, your home for health, hope, and strength after 60. Share this with a friend or sister who needs this reminder.